Hi, this is a basic tutorial on the 3D setup and instancing. Let's start with a sphere. Sub sphere. To display it, we need to connect it to a geometry. For a render setup, we need a render node, a light, and a camera. Let's connect the render node to out and activate the render flag, display flag. Great. Now we need to apply a material. Let's choose a constant material. We need to color it, so we choose a noise top and apply it by dragging it onto the material. Toggle monochrome off and drag the material onto geometry. Choose material. Now it has a color. Now let's do the instancing. We need to go to geometry, instance, and trigger instancing on. Instancing allows us to create multiple instances of the sphere using data from another top. Let's create a box. Let's use this box as data. We drag the box onto the default instance operator. Now let's choose translate x 0.0, translate y 0.1, and translate z 0.2. Let's make our sphere smaller. Great. Now let's divide the box so that we trigger the division. Cool. Now let's animate it. We type apps time dot seconds times 10. Let's copy it and paste it into Z.